Hello again. My name is Gus, and welcome back to Q-Source's On the Bench. In this episode, John Sullivan, our rep for JBC Tools, will be talking about the JBC CD Advanced Series Soldering Station.
Hello, my name is John Sullivan with Wilson Industries. I am the manufacturer's rep for JBC Tools. Q-Source is a distributor for JBC Tools. I'd like to talk to you about the CD-1BB solder station for general electronics use. This station comes complete with a handpiece, 2 tips, and the control unit. The ability to quickly change tips geometry for what you may be soldering can be done very quickly, and you're back to full temperature within a matter of 3 seconds. This allows you to always make sure that each time you change the tip that you are working with the proper pad size. The one tip will cover all temperature ranges. The temperature is variable, ranging all the way up to 450 degrees C, down from a low of 90. The housing is ESD safe, as I had mentioned before. The T245 handpiece comes with 2 tips, a C903 conical and a C741 chisel tip. This it weighs 62 grams. It is a 50-watt handpiece, as I said, and it will cover the wide range of applications within that temperature range that it has. There is the ability to plug a wrist strap in at the rear of the unit also for an operator, and as I said earlier, it is ESD safe. The ability to fix the temperature or change temperature is easily done. The operator can be locked out if you want the operator soldering at one particular temperature or within a range. The ability for it to sleep when it goes back in the cradle happens automatically, and again it goes back to full temperature when taken out of the cradle within a 3-second time typically. The sleep mode with this unit gives you 5 times the tip life. For the tip is not sitting cooking within the cradle. The system uses so little power that it should pay for itself within the span of a year, considering today's electric prices.